Hello, sweet friends and crafters, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. Today, I have a Scrapdiva design unboxing to share with you, and it is huge. And not only is it huge, but it has so many dies that I love, I can't stand it. So let me go ahead and share with you what I received. If you care to purchase any of these dies, they can be purchased at this website right here. Please use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your entire order. I will leave the names and links to all the dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop and pick up the dies that you love. So let's get started with the Snowflake Straw Topper. This is a darling die. This snowflake here matches the bow bundle, the Snowflake bow bundle from last year, and you get 3 snowflakes in this die set, and this is going to be fun to play with because the projects are going around in my head for other than putting it on a straw. So you'll be seeing that coming up, and you get the merry and bright sentiment that goes in the center of this. How cute would this be for your Christmas Eve party or any kind of Christmas party during December, and your Christmas family dinner, to have your straws decorated with this? It would be so cute. And it's really easy to do something as small as this, to do a number of them and get them done quickly. The next thing I have to show you is the mini leaves and bow add-on, and this is for the Advent houses. And you can see on this plate that you get leaves and bows and different berries to decorate the greenery, and these go on top of the windows and the doors. So if you get that set, don't forget to pick this up, because this is going to take your Advent houses from pretty to wow. All right, the next one we've got is the baking shaker plates, and there are 4 plates in here. You get the charcuterie and the little chef's hats. And when I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, okay, these chef hats might fit on some of my little gingerbreads. That's going to be awfully cute. And also the mitts, the oven mitts, and the rolling pins. This is cute also to add to your little gingerbread, to hold a rolling pin. Very, very cute. So not only can this be your shaker material for your baking dies, but it can also accent some of your small little add-ons in your crafting. All right, the next one we have is the bubblegum machine add-on. Let me see if I said that right. The Christmas gumball add-on. There you go. And this is going to make a reindeer out of your gumball machine. You have the ears and the antlers and all kinds of things to decorate your gumball machine. And here are little reindeers to cut out for your shaker material. How cute is that? This is going to be a fun one to play and show you. The next one we have is the Place Photo Here stamp set. Now, if you're like me and you give mini albums away, you don't put, most of the times you don't put pictures in them unless it's going to family. And this is going to help with that, where you can stamp this on the empty space and it'll say Place Photo Here, and you get several different sizes and several different pretty fonts for your mini albums. This can also be for a, I love making them, junk journals. That happened to be something I did this year. Is I made a junk journal. I loved it. You can put this in your junk journal, and then also your planners, because here you have a stamp that you can use to go along with your photos for the date it was taken, the time, the location, the place it was taken, and together with, if you want to list who was in the photo. And then you get a little, that comes in 2 sizes. And then you get a little hand with a pencil and an envelope, and then you get this little pencil here. Isn't that cute? Great for those of you who love to make mini albums. The next one we have is the Christmas stamp and die set. This is perfect for tying onto your little treat boxes and gifts. Put these on your little gift boxes that you make, and also are perfect for gift tags because you have to and from. Merry Christmas, Dear Santa, Jolly, Open Me, Delivery from the North Pole, Santa Paws, up there. Merry and Bright, Fa La 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 La, Jingle All the Way, Special Holiday Treat, Let It Snow, Season's Greetings, Warm Winter Wishes, and Best Gift Ever. And then this comes with die sets. You get a couple tags, and you also get this tag, which is a little gift box that you can layer your pieces and then stamp on the back of it. Super cute, right? I took it apart so I could show that part to you. Next, we have the Shaker gift box. This comes with a couple bow dies and also some sentiments. You get a sentiment that says treats that you can tie onto this box if you put little treats in there. This one says Magic Christmas, and this one says Joy, and they all come with backing pieces as well. And here on this side, you can see the bows that you get. One is stitched, one is not stitched. And then you have all your decorative pieces right there. Very cute. Can hardly wait to play with this. I love this die. Next, I have the Angel mini album. If you follow Scrapdiva closely, you know that this was released a little while ago. Somehow I didn't get it, so Erica sent it to me in this design team package. So this is one that I'm going to be playing with first out of all of the dies that I received. And I will be playing with this when I come back from my birthday celebration. I have several videos scheduled while I'm away, so this will be the first one I make when I come back. And yes, my birthday is coming up. Next, we have the 4-ounce coffee cup sleeve. And I just love the doily dies that Erica sells. And this matches along with those. I love that little scallop with the 3 little holes that most of her scallop dies have. And this is for the sleeve for your coffee cup. And these also decorate your coffee cup. And just in case you're wondering, you can get the 4-ounce coffee cups on Amazon. I know that's where I found mine. I had purchased some a year or so ago, and I still have plenty for me to work with for this die. You see how cute that is? And then, of course, you have the 4-ounce coffee cup holder to go along with it. So this is great for gift giving at Christmas time, to give friends and co-workers a little either candy treats in the coffee cup, or you can put some K-cups, things like that. And I'll show it to you on the back. This is the back piece of the coffee cup holder. It almost looks like a tag. And again, this is going to be cute to play with. The next die I have for you is the shopping bag. This comes with a couple of labels, and I will turn this over, and you can see that this is pretty big. This is like probably a 2.5 to 3 inch wide gusset on that shopping bag, so it's going to hold good sized things. My immediate thought is it's going to hold some Bath and Body Works, some of those lotion and shower gel, the personal size ones that is going to fit in here, probably along with some hand sanitizer. So we shall see. Gives me an excuse to go shopping at Bath and Body Works. I love that place. Always smells so good in there, and I'm addicted to the candles. I love them. So that is the shopping bag. Next we have is the Slimline Heart House, and I just love this. I love heart dies. I collect house dies. I collect house dies, and I love this and can't wait to play with it. Not only is this going to be great for Christmas crafting, but it is also going to be great for Valentine's Day because of the heart in there. Super, super cute. Can't wait to do this one and show it to you. All right, the next dies that we have are the Advent House gift boxes. And there are 3 in this set if you want to make a village. You have a small, a medium, and a large. And remember, I showed you the mini leaves and bow add-on for this to decorate all your little windows. And I can't wait to play with this. I want to make my little village. Let's see, if you do 24 days, you have to make 24 houses. So that means you would have to make, you have 3, 6, 7, 8. You have to make 8 of each. Yeah, 8, yeah, you have to make 8 of each. But it's going to be pretty. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I'm thinking of making my set in pink to go with my pink Christmas decorations and putting little lights around it. I don't have any little ones to enjoy the goodies inside, so I'm going to have to put something in there for my husband and I for each day. Maybe this is a good idea, especially if you don't have any kids, is to put little different flavored K-cups, because we like to drink coffee in the morning. Put little different K-cups in here for the day. How fun would that be? So can't wait to play with this. Love these. These are houses too. Have to have that for my collection of houses. And then Erica thought of everything and gave us a Advent rooftop border die. And as you can see here, it comes with 4 different roof dies to create a different roof on your houses so you can get a different look for them. You have a scalloped and a staggered square, and then a smaller square, and then a bigger square. Very, very cute. Can't wait to make my houses. And then last but not least, this awesome die. What else can I say about this? This is a oven mini album. OMG. I have a, what is the name? It's doohickey from Magnolia. A doohickey oven die that I am just gaga over, that I have in front of me just to inspire me. I just hang it as close to me so I can see it, because I just love that. And this is amazing because you also get for your inside the recipe card with the word recipe, so that you could put that on this when creating your oven. How cute is that? What an amazing Christmas gift this would be to someone. I love this. I can't wait to put this together for you. And here is your stovetop, and you get the pieces to decorate here, and you get the little circles to put in here for the switches, and you get a bunch of different vegetables, even an eggplant. Isn't that cute? A pumpkin even, a radish. And then you get a bowl and a chef's hat. Cute, cute, cute. This is an awesome die. I hope you're able to get this one. All right, everyone, that is my design team unboxing for you. I wish you all a great week. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.